Hi everybody, I'm Ron and this is Buddy. I think everybody has met Buddy since he's been with us the whole trip. He's been with me for 14 years. I never wanted a little dog. I always had big dogs. But because of the situation at the time, the woman I was with at the time had a brain tumor and she couldn't handle a bigger dog. So for her to have a dog that could be close to her, I went and I found Buddy. Buddy was a great companion for her, but he was a better companion for me. He's been through some very dark times with me. He's been through some really good times with me. And I believe that we gave him a very, very happy life. We're going to be doing a video, kind of doing some pictures of the things that Buddy's done, climbing mountains, riding in kayaks, being the captain of the pontoon boat, and let everybody see how great he really was.